How to transfer money from PayPal to bank account. Welcome and let's get right into this easy tutorial. Starting off, open up your PayPal application in your preferred device. In here, make sure you are logged in. Before transferring a balance, check your PayPal balance and rest assured that it is sufficient to make a transfer. After which, to transfer, you can either tap on the send button or just tap on your PayPal balance. Now at the very bottom, you will see the option of add money or transfer. As we want to transfer into a bank account, select on the transfer button. From here, select on the list of banks that you have added to your PayPal account. After which, you can add the amount of money that you want to transfer into it. If you have not linked a bank account, you need to select on link an eligible debit card or bank. After which, you will have to enter some of the debit card details or the bank details. By this way, you'll be able to transfer money from your PayPal to bank account. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.